Alright guys, I just got 2 more panels, and this time I went with the mono crystals. So let's do the unboxing and we'll see what the panels look like. So this is how they ship it to you. It's basically, if you buy one cell, or one panel, it'll be one. If you buy 2, it'll be individually packaged. So let's see how they package and what it looks like. My batteries are completely charged, so we'll just cover up the other panels for the purpose of the video. So here we go. It's got good packaging on the corners. I guess one slid out there, but that was here, so I guess it might have taken a couple hits. A nice thick piece of cardboard that is pretty hard to squish if you're in the middle. Edges. So let's get that out of the way. And here we go. Looks nice. And the underside. So there's some mounting holes. There's the brand with all the specs. You guys can pause that. Little zip ties just to keep it all nice and neat. Let's see if we can peek in here. No. Alright, well, that we'll just leave the way it is. So there you go. And the whole box is, again, pretty decent thickness. So there should be no issues. As long as it was never... didn't have anything dropped on the face. So I'm just checking the angles to see if I see any punctures or anything. Looks good. So I'll go ahead and open up the other one, get them all set up, and then I'll do a little test just to see how this performs. This is 100 watts, and these are also 100 watts, but these are poly. And then these 2 are about 5 years old. Then the 2 outsides, those are about 2 years old. So we'll see how the mono holds up to the 5 and the 2 years as far as the output and wattage. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching, guys.